Are you a Fort Smith area homeowner looking to have some landscaping work done? Well, look no further. At the sign right behind me here to prove it, Riverview Turfworks is the premier outdoor living landscaping company in Fort Smith. We have over 100 five-star reviews on Google. We do projects ranging as small as a couple $1,000s all the way up to six figures, whether it be paver patios, new flower beds, flagstone pathways like you see right here, drainage work, sprinkler installation, sprinkler repair. We pretty well handle everything outside. So if you're looking to get your landscape lit up with some new landscape lighting, if you just want to redo your flower bed, rip out the old plants, put in new plants, we can handle that. Or if you want to start from scratch, remove everything on your existing property and then go in with completely new everything and really just do it up good, we do that as well. Give us a try, riverviewturfworks.com, 479-235-1390. Call, text, fill out the form on our website. We're happy to help, and we're going to give you a customer experience that you've never had before with your local landscaping company. Thanks.